Kremenets Mountains, a place where every stone remembers millennia, and where beetles live in penthouses.
Ми шукаємо скарби!
Де золото королеви? Золото!
Тримайся, жучку!
Yo! I'm Serhii Hlotov. Today we're not just setting traps. We're looking for treasure.
Treasures? Seryoga, I'm already ready. Where's the Queen's gold? I need new sneakers.
Easy, friend. First, a story. We're on Mount Bona, 397 meters above sea level. Previously, there was an impregnable fortress here. The year 1241, Khan Batu is heading west. He conquered almost everything, but here, he broke his teeth.
Wow! Did they have force fields?
No, even better, natural landscape and steep walls. Kremenets is one of only 3 castles in all of Europe that Batu Khan was never able to take by force. Here,
За
even the
Кременець! Відбиваємо
stones
ядра!
fought on
Я
the side
активую
of the
карту
people.
Тисім, дивись!
Ми переможемо!
What about
Слава!
1648? I heard Maxim Krivonis's Cossacks did the impossible then.
That's right. 6 weeks of siege, and the castle was taken only once in history. They say, in Pyatnitska cemetery, white stone crosses still stand over the
Журтуруне,
graves
тримай
of those
оборону!
heroes.
Час для карти насос року! Накладикима козака!
Seryoga, what about Queen Bona? They say she was a witch and bathed in the blood of innocent girls to avoid aging?
It's just a smear campaign from the gentry she warred with. In reality, Bona Sforza was a mega manager. She built bridges, schools, and fortified the castle. But the myths about her are truly horrifying. They say she had a harem of 100 men.
And the gold? Where are the treasures?
Legend says they are in a 90-meter well in the middle of the castle. On Easter, during the service, one must kiss Bona's ghost, and she will hand over the keys to the dungeon doors.
Kiss a ghost. I'd rather fall into Baba's glass.
Тільки не поцілунок
By the
Бони!
way, where are our gadgets?
While everyone is looking for gold, we are looking for the true treasures of nature. Look! Our barber traps are catching ground beetles whose ancestors still remember the times of the Cossacks. And on Mount Divochi Skeli we set Merika traps.
Oh, Maiden Rocks. Is that where the girls tied their braids together and jumped down to avoid being captured by the Tatars?
That's right. It's a sad legend, but now a unique flower, the hoary rock rose, Helianthemum canum, grows there. This is the only place in Ukraine where it exists. Our colorful Merika bowls imitate the flowers so we can study the pollinators of this marvel.
What's this white bag? An elevator for ghosts.
Almost. This is a Winkler extractor. It lures the smallest bugs out of the forest litter. It's like a
Хто не
detective
заховався, я не
investigation.
винен.
We find those who have been hiding
Цей
for
мішок знає свою
centuries.
справу. Навіть найменший жучок не пройде повз нас. Тобі туди не треба, ти вже в нас у базі.
Нашов!
Look, so, our night cinema. When the mountains fall asleep, those awaken whom neither princes nor queens have seen.
Wow. This is a real treasure. Without any curses.
The Kremenets Mountains are a volcano of history that never fades. Here, myths become part of the forest, and science helps us preserve this fairy tale world.
The Queen's treasure is us. God, what's yours?
Вау,
Because
яка краса!
Bona will
Час
come
досліджувати
and
далі.
ask for a
Довга
kiss.
гра, але варта того. Неймовірно, правда? Ці руїни такі величні.
Так, Сергію, гори і хмари – це справжня пригода.
Бережи природу, стань героєм Кременця, допомагай тваринам, захищай ліси та парки.
Ось він, Кременець уночі. Так, Сергію, а тепер до пригод. Ура!
See you in the mountains.
Explore, love, protect, National Nature Park, Kremenets Hory, a place where mountains breathe history and beetles have their secrets.